Hey guys, this is Divya. Welcome to my channel Boho Beauty. In this video, I am going to be showing you all how to shape your eyebrows using a tweezer all by yourself at your home. So let's get started. To groom your brows at your home, you need a tweezer, a scissor, an eyebrow pencil, and a spoolie to brush your eyebrows. The first step is to measure and mark the inner edge, the arch, and the outer edge of your brows so you don't over tweeze them, which is very important. The common rule is that the inner edge of the brow should start at a 90-degree angle from the outer corner of your nose, or you can also say 90-degree from the inner corner of your eye. The arch of the eyebrow should be near the outer corner of your iris, and the outer edge of the eyebrow should end at a 45-degree angle from the outer corner of the eye. Now this is where my brow starts, but it varies from person to person, so adjust it as per your brow shape. And to mark the end, place it along the end of the eyes. Now to mark the arch, place it in around 45-degree angle. I am also drawing a line along the bottom and top of the brow, as well extending to the tip. So now we are done with the measurement and outline. The next step is to tweeze the extra hair. For that, let's first brush the hair up using the Spoolie Brush. I am now going to remove the extra hair below the brows, making sure not to tweeze any hair above the line which I drew. Make sure you hold the skin tight to avoid pinching or pulling the skin, and start by plucking one hair at a time in the direction of hair growth to avoid ingrown hairs. This removes the entire hair from the follicle, so if done right, it would ideally take around 3 to 4 weeks to grow back depending upon the person's hair growth. This is of course a painful process depending upon your tolerance. To lessen the pain, you can always tweeze after a warm shower or warm towel massage to soften the hair and follicle. If you have less tolerance, you could also use a numbing cream. One thing everyone should know about eyebrows is that they are rarely identical, meaning for most of the people their eyebrows will not match exactly. You can even see that on my own brows. The left one is totally different from the right one. That is completely alright. We should just follow their natural shape, pluck only the extras and not try too much to match them. Or else we may try to remove that one hair to match your brows, and before you know, you would have ended up creating a new shape or make it a lot thinner than expected, which by the way I have done many times in the past and regret now. Because over the time, tweezing, threading or waxing can damage the hair follicles, causing them to grow back finer, or sometimes the hair may just stop growing. So we got to be careful. I am done removing the extras below the brow. I am now brushing the hair down so I can remove the ones above the brow. Unlike threading and waxing, you have a lot of control in the amount of hair you remove when you tweeze your own brows. You can be as precise and accurate as you can. Now I am correcting around the brow end, removing any hair that's there after the end mark I made and maintaining the length. When going near the brow line, take it slowly. We don't want to remove too many hair and make it thin. Always remember, less is more. We should also not forget to remove the unwanted hairs in between the brows. That's it. I'm now done with the tweezing. The next step is to trim the hair length using a scissor. For that, I'm first brushing the hair up using the spoolie so we can see the long hairs which needs to be trimmed. Just trim them to your desired height. And we are done with grooming the eyebrows. The final step is to fill out the scanty areas and set them in place. This is an optional one. I'm just using my brow pencil and filling the brows. Typically the inner edge needs to be lighter and the outer edge darker, like a gradient, to create a natural look. But you can also go all thick and bold like actresses Nayanthara or Deepika Padukone, which is also great. It's really a personal choice and what suits you the best. Once done, to set the brows I am using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit. I am taking the pigmented wax in my spoolie and brushing the brows to set them in place. Once the brows are set, you can also apply a bit of concealer at the bottom and top of the brows to clean up around them and make them pop out. Once applied, just blend them. That's it, I'm done with grooming my eyebrows all by myself at my home and just how I wanted. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to put them on the comment section below. Do try them and let me know if it works for you. And please don't forget to provide your feedback, and if you'd like to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.